If you're in the market to buy a home, then I don't have to tell you that the inventory is limited. I hear you yelling at me. There are definitely many people entering into the home buying market. But can I ask you a question? Have you ever thought about buying a home that needs some repairs or upgrades? I don't mean a ton of repairs. I mean things like paint, carpet, maybe a bathroom or kitchen remodel in there. Our team specializes in helping homeowners achieve their home renovation goals from concept to completion. We locate the financing, design the remodel, and manage the construction project. In this video, I'm going to share the top 3 reasons why you should buy your house with a renovation home loan. You've probably looked at a few homes online or even checked them out in person and thought, this could be a great house if only the kitchen was bigger, if it had different floors. The great news is that we have some really cool loan programs that allow you to buy a house and wrap up the renovation costs into fixing up the house into one loan. You don't have to max out your credit cards or zero out your savings account to get your home remodeled. Which brings me to my top 3 reasons why you should buy your house with a renovation home loan. Here's reason number 1 to buy your home with a renovation home loan. You choose the work that you want done. If you want to remodel the kitchen, the bathroom, the basement, add a man cave, or a she shed, you have that choice with a renovation home loan. There are several different loan program options that allow you to decide what you want to be done. And of course, it depends upon what you qualify for, but we can help you figure that out. Reason number 2 to buy a house with a renovation home loan. You don't have to do the work yourself. With a renovation home loan, you simply decide on the work that you want completed to be included in the loan, and then you select the licensed contractor that you want to work with. You get bids from them, submit the bids to your mortgage professional, and we take over from there. It's simple and allows you to create the home of your dreams. Which brings me to reason number 3 to buy a house with a renovation home loan. The renovation work is done after you buy the home. That's right, you buy the house and you have all the work completed after you've already closed. There is no waiting around. You get your home and you get to begin on your work immediately after you close. It's super simple. If you're tired of looking at homes that don't fit your wants and needs checklist, then don't change your checklist, change your mindset. Start looking at the possibilities of creating a home of your dreams with a renovation home loan. If you'd like more information about the remodeling possibilities with the renovation home loan, you can reach out to me at any of my contact information. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you get the home of your dreams.